are we, Papa?
Remember you said you wanted to learn how to cross the street, Scout?
Yeah.
Well, that's not happening today. Oh! We're going to start with something less dangerous. Still dangerous, but less dangerous. You see that, Scout? That's a boulevard, a wide street in a town or city, typically lined with trees. Yeah, there's trees. Keep going. So you see all those cars? Well, yeah, just a little dangerous. Now, right there is a train track. So that's a little bit safer right now. So let's learn. All right, Scout. We're gonna get from this side to that side.
All right. Sounds simple. Let's go.
Whoa, 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 there, Scout. You have to make sure there's no train coming. So look to the left.
Nothing.
Look to the right.
Nothing.
Look left. Look right.
Keep up, Papa.
Well, it's time to cross, Scout. Ready? Let's cross. There we go, we did it, Scout. We crossed the tracks. Now let's cross back. Remember, look that way and look the other way. All right, now let's cross again.
I did it on my own.
Come on, Scout, get up.